Well, hello there. Guess what? It's haul time again. That's right. I went to DeSerres, DeSerres. So I got some pretty neat art supplies for pretty cheap. So if you're interested to see what I got that was in a liquidation, then stick around. So I went to DeSerres, or formerly known as DeSerres, which is a fine art supply store chain that we have in Canada. It is actually based out of Quebec. It was started in Montreal, and they sell high-end quality art supplies for artists. They also sell craft supplies, and they do a lot of framing as well for your art or pictures. So it's a very, very nice store to visit. So I was near an DeSerres, and I went to see, just by chance, if they had anything on liquidation or clearance or on sale that I would like. And boy, did I score big time. So the first thing I'm showing you here is this box by, this is a Liquitex product. It is called the Iridescent Pouring Medium Set. It has 4 pieces. And this, my friends, wait till I tell you the deal I got on this. Now, I have to find it on the receipt. Okay. Yeah, okay. This set for paint pouring, was $52 for 4 pieces. And in there, you get 3 bottles of Liquitex Professional Soft Body Paint. So these are artist quality paint. They are perfect for pouring, and they come in, the kit has them in these 3 primary colors of a yellow medium azo, naphthol crimson, and phthalocyan blue green shade. So basically red, yellow, and blue. They are 2-ounce bottles or 59 milliliter bottles. They're a nice size. And a bottle, a bottle of pouring medium. Pouring medium is the medium you add to your paints to have them flow very nicely if you're going to do a paint pouring project. Now, these paints do not have to be used in paint pouring. I can use these just for the paints themselves, and maybe that's what I will do. And the I can use this pouring medium for other things besides using it for pouring. So it is a medium. It is an iridescent medium, so it will make paints iridescent, and it provides a really nice finish to the paints when they're done. So although it is sold as a pouring kit, I don't have to do that type of art to utilize these products, but maybe I will. So that is what I got. This was on liquidation for $15. What a deal. What a deal. So this used to be $52, and I got it for $15. So I was very happy with that purchase. I mean, this is high-end paint. Can't go wrong with that. Now, the other thing that I was really stoked about is that on the day that I went to DeSerres, they were having a promotion whereby you, for those of us who are creative club members, it is a loyalty program that DeSerres has. We could receive five times the amount of points that we get when we make purchases. So I got 5 times the points accumulated into my account, my creative club member account. So that was a really nice bonus. Okay. Now, one thing I purchased that I paid full price for, and that's fine, is this sheet of paper. Now, DeSerres sells these wonderful, beautiful sheets of paper that are great for découpage, collage. They are usually all handmade papers. They are very beautiful papers. They are usually cotton or handmade, and they just, I just love it. So this sheet of paper was $5. And that sounds like a lot, I know, for one sheet of paper, but I really like this one because of the fish on it. And since I do like to collect beautiful papers for my artwork, I had to get this one. So this was full price at $5 for this one sheet. But considering how much money I didn't spend on all the other beautiful art supplies I got, that is fine. Now, I was lucky to find some items in a liquidation bin. Actually, they had different stuff in the store that was on liquidation. They had some papers, which is really great for me. They had these rolls of paper, and this one is another one of those handmade, beautiful papers. I'm not sure what the fiber content of this one is. It's either a cotton paper. It's very hard to tell. And this one was $2 instead of these papers were usually $7 and $8, and they were liquidation for $2. So there was this one, and they had this one with the polar bears, which I thought was really nice, really cute for $2. Yes, please. So just really fun, really fun papers. So that will be a lot of fun to use in different projects. Also, everything else that I'm going to be showing you is basically liquidation items. That's all I bought, except for that one sheet of fishy paper. I picked up this stencil. It's just a very simple stencil with triangles. Great to use for doing backgrounds in art journals and mixed media. And it is a French product. It is from France. Yeah, Grand Creative. That is their logo here, the little heart flower stencil. And normally these stencils are $6.99, but it was in the liquidation for $2. So I snagged that because it's a very thick plastic. This will be great to use over and over again, like I said, to make backgrounds. They show it here as used in home decor to stencil on a wall, but I will be using this for my mixed media work. DeSerres also sells lots of craft kits and books on educational art, history, and educational type of books for children. And they had this little book, The Palace of Versailles, for 50 cents in the liquidation. And I just bought it because for 50 cents, I thought it would be great to have for the images to use in collage work. And the book was only 50 cents because it's missing some of pages. It's supposed to have overlay pages, but some are missing. And I don't really mind. I just bought it because of the images in here, and I thought I could repurpose this into some sort of project. So that's why I picked that one up. And the full price of this book was, this was a book for $12.99, children's book, but I got it for 50 cents. So really, can't really pass that up. All right. Now, some other things they had in the liquidation. They had some Moleskine or Moleskine notebooks. They had plain ones. They also had lined ones and dotted ones. I just wanted some of these plain ones, a set of 3 plain journals. They are normally $14.99 for a set of 3, which isn't too bad, but they were in liquidation for $10. Not a big sale, but yeah, I'll take it for this quality type of blank notebook. They're fun to use for a small artwork. And the paper, it is a journal, so the paper is acid-free. The paper measures 3.5 by 5.5 or 9 by 14 centimeters. And what else can I tell you about it? Yeah, they're just nice journals that I buy whenever I find on sale. And another Moleskine, this one, the sketch album. And this one was $10. And it opens like this, so instead of $12.99, so it was $10. And they were liquidating these books because they had a whole new set, a whole new line by Talons of journals and sketchbooks that they were making room for. So that's why these were cleared out. Now, in another bin, I found these tubes of acrylic paint. And I bought several. As goodness knows, I know I have so much paint, but I love paint. I use a lot of paint. So I got this Dale Rowney graduate acrylic paint. I believe this is a student grade paint, but it's a good paint. What does it say? Solvent-free acrylic colors, ideal for all arts and crafts, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So, I got 2 greens. One is a phthalo green and the other is a hooker's green. And of course I did get 2 of the permanent rose, one of my favorite colors to use in a lot of projects. So got that. And I got the buff titanium. I use that a lot. These are just paints that I use a lot, and I was pretty happy to find them. The Venetian red, I really like this color, and I did not have this color in my stash of good quality acrylic paints, so I was pretty happy. There was 1 tube, so I grabbed it. And the other one is this metallic red, and I thought, well, that will be fun. So yeah, got that one. And I also got 2 metallic yellows. just because lately I've been using a lot of yellow in some work I've been doing, and I thought the metallic would be really fun. But I also got a Naples yellow just because I've been using lots of yellow in for some reason in certain projects I've been making. So these tubes were on liquidation for $2 a piece. They are normally $5.99 or $6 a piece. So I think I did pretty good on my paints. Again, lots of paint. If you've seen my other haul videos that I've done, I've been hauling. I hauled lots of watercolor paints at Michael's, and now I have a bunch of acrylic paints from DeSerres. And that is it for my DeSerres. Oh no, wait, I forgot. They had some leftover Christmas stuff like ribbons and papers, but all I wanted was the cording, this fun gold cording. And this is a fun little cord or string to use in multiple projects. And there's 20 meters on here. And I think I got this for $1.99, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm mistaken. I got this. This was only $1, and normally it is $3.99. So, not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. When I need gold cord, sometimes I need it for a project, and I don't use it for a long time, and then all of a sudden I'll need it for some project, and now I will have some from future projects. And that's it for my DeSerres haul. I'm really happy with it. I was not expecting to find anything, but I'm so happy that I did. And yeah, I just kept my eyes open for clearance items, and I'm really, really happy. I also, like I said, I got 5 times the number of points because of the promotion they were having. I also had accumulated some money in my creative account. I had over $7, so I was able to use that towards my purchase, and that made me very happy. And I'm trying to see, do they show how much money I saved? Sometimes they do. No, they do put the full price beside, but they don't give you a total on that. So that's it for my DeSerres haul. I hope you found something inspiring in here to get your craft on. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks so much for supporting the channel and watching these videos. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.